Hi guys, my name is Tina and I look like crap. I've been sick for the past 2 days. My eyes are a bit swollen. Well, it's nothing out of the normal to be honest. But I'm here right now at Flossom at Benibana. Going to be coloring my hair kasi I need help and I can't do it myself. I normally can, but since it's a bit more complex than just a normal hair dye, I'm gonna need some help, lalo na sa the back. But normally I feel like I could do it, but I can't just do it on myself. It makes sense, okay? So anyways, I want to mention a few things. First of all, there's gonna be a lot of coughing, a lot of sniffing, a lot of like blowing my nose. Secondly, I can't believe I killed a mosquito with my perfume. It's right there. Do you see it? I killed it with my perfume. Thirdly, grabe, when you wear these shades, it's like you have vision, night vision or something. Wala lang. Kanina when I was driving, I felt like I was in like a game or something. Wala lang. I'm feeling very hyper even though I feel like shit, like I'm so sick. The thing is, I think I developed an allergy for dust mites. Whenever I'm in my room, my nose is so stuffy. I've been sick. And then now I'm outside, I feel so much better. So I need to clean my room, probably. So now I'm here inside Benibana. So actually, ito lang naman yung gagawin. Magpapamanicure pedicure ako sa matagal yung gel nila dito. So I'll be back when it's cooking. Ayan, we're doing it. Kuya, ano ulit name mo, kuya?
Rowie.
Rowie. Hello. Ano Instagram mo?
Lord Horus.
Na-excite ako to see how it looks like when it's dry. Feeling ko ito mas greeny, tas blue yung tip. Kasi ito, I don't know what it's gonna look like. Mag-rinse na ako. Panilsin ako. Para bagay. I haven't seen it, really.
Ganda.
Ganda. I haven't seen it.
Parang Joker na.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Sobrang green yung roots! You know what? Whatever. I di multicolor na lang. Oh my god! Tapos yung roots ko dito nga, medyo reddish nga.
Parang oceanic blue.
Oh my gosh. Well, Dove wanted crazy. I'm giving them... Ang ganda ng purple ng kabila. My goodness.
Ang ganda mo.
Ano ba?
Hindi, maganda yun naman.
Kasi talong. Promise talong talaga. Talong. Okay, so I already finished my first session of Korean BB Glow. And in fairness, para akong naka-filter. Para akong may tinted moisturizer. In fairness, ang ganda niya. I'll do more sessions para I can really show you the effect of it. Pero so far, I look glowy. Parang wala akong sakit. In fairness, compared sa itsura ko kanina, aminin niyo. And my hair, it's great. Except nainis lang ako dito sa roots ko. Pero okay na din siya. Guys, please visit Benibana pag nandito kayo. Once again, if you haven't seen yung video ko ng Mother's Day, itong Benibana na salon, may salon siya, tapos sa tapat niya, may restaurant. Tapos habang nandito kayo, kunwari nagpapamanicure, pedicure or whatever, matagal siya, diba? Pwede kayong umorder ng food dito sa salon, so dito nila iso-serve. So may salon dito, tapos dito sa taas, yung studio ng friend namin na fashion designer. So kung gusto niyo rin magpagawa ng mga couture, ng mga ganong gowns and whatnot, meron din. Tapos dito sa baba, meron silang flower shop. I'll link the video of the tour that I did below para makita nyo. Tapos dito, they're going to open naman a laundry shop. Magiging one-stop shop siya for everything that you will need. Kuya Rowie, pa-video ko ng likod.
Okay.
Patingin. Okay, so right now, I'm just here at my family gathering. It's a late Christmas celebration with my mom's side. So, I don't know how to make this vlog entertaining. So, I'm gonna have my cousins vlog for me. Can you vlog? No, for like vlog every 2 months.
Ay, kailangan magsasalita ba siya pag gano'n?
No, just say whatever. Nikki, come here. Be entertaining.
Ayan, si Nikki. Nikki, can you
Say
vlog for
welcome to my family.
Hi guys, this is Tina's vlog. Ang kikay ko. This is a family reunion, so check it out.
Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. No, video me. Check it out. Check it out. Crystal, do it. Check it out.
Also, subscribe to me.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Nikki, Crystal, and of course, the star of the show.
Crystal again!
Okay, bye.
You're so entertaining. Thank you so much.
Yun na yun.
Follow her YouTube. She actually makes good content. Ay, may ingay po pamilya ko. Di ba, tita?
Oh,
Ayan, birthday kasi ni Mudra Bells. So, nagsalubong kami. Ayun, no? Happy birthday, Rose Arches. Oo nga, ang ganda naman ng cake.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Hala! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
One more time! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Okay na! Tama na! Magkapatid yan. Saka si Mami. Ala, 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 ala! Oh my God! Diyos ko na! So alam nyo na! Kung saan ako nagmala!
Post yan! Picture daw ako.
This is my mom for boomerang. Muscle! Woo! For boomerang. You weren't here for our parents' vulgarness.
I was.
How you were? That's how we were born. That's how we were made. Okay, so now we will be tasting the two cakes that we have.
From Red Ribbon, this is,
Ano ribbon to?
yeah, this is Red Ribbon, and then
Ito yung
the other
purple
one is
cake
Conti.
kanina. Konti. Oh my God, sobra.
Parang walang dating kasi parang red lang, pero
Punta kayo.
hindi ito yung loob.
Oo.
Yung favorite na.
Hindi pa.
Diba? Diba? Sarap? Ayaw ko ng sanseval eh.
Sarap guys.
Diba?
Sarap siya. Matamis.
Hindi ako may nagsulat eh.
Pero masarap.
Bababol.
Ayun mo muna. Ayun mo muna siya. Dumidikit lang sa ngipin mo. Pero it's good.
Gusto ko to. Do you like my hair?
Sabit to ba yan?
Ito hindi tumigo.
Hindi spray.
Do you like my hair? Oh well. Hi guys! So right now, GMA News TV is in my house. Ayan. So pinicture nila ako. For the, ano daw, maganda ako period na advocacy. So yes, finally kakalat na rin ng magandang balita. Charot. This is Ate Sam. Can I call you Ate Sam?
Sa Lima
Ayan.
Refran po ng GMA News, pasensya na. Ate Sam na lang.
Kasi we're sisms.
Yeah, we are.
So, ayan. So, siya mag-interview sa akin for the feature. So, luckily, someone of a beautiful, sexy person din ang para makarelate, para mas personal, no? So, thank you for also relating to me and understanding because not everyone understands. Mapalads. Thank you so much, Kuya. We love a supportive brother. Okay, so ngayon, mag-vlog lang kami na
Magme-makeup
Yun,
ever kami.
pero charot lang. So, ayun, okay, we'll show you. Ay, wait, lumabas na to by this time. So, never mind if you saw this. Comment down below. If not, thank you. This is happening. Okay, we're working now.
Bye!
Full on vlog?
You can record it, tapos
Ano
pag-isip
naman?
mo na lang.
Kaya ayoko lang mag-sobrang daldal kasi baka mamaya too long.
No, ako bahala. Sige. Mag-record ka na lang din para we can use it. You can use it for
That's true. Kasabay.
So, nakaroll ka na? Nakaroll ka na
Yes.
din? The other camera?
Rolling direct.
Rolling na? Okay,
Rolling,
sige.
charot.
So, kikay ka talaga?
Super. Actually, my name on YouTube used to be ang kikay ko. It's very self-explanatory.
Mukha naman.
Pinalitan ko ng Tina Arches. Pero ang kikay ko talaga because
You are
ang kikay ko.
Okay, pag ikaw ay medyo chubby or yung medyo, yun nga, malaki, mataba, ang pinaka-importante, this is what I've learned, is yung contouring. Para,
Yes, very true.
Para pumayat kahit paano the face, ganyan. So, can you show us a bit
Yes.
para mag-contour?
Okay. So, obviously, first, kailangan mo ng pang-contour. Pero ano, okay na ba retouch muna?
Sige, retouch muna, push. Retouch ka muna dyan.
No, for you.
Me?
I'm doing your makeup, diba?
Okay, sige.
Am I doing her makeup po?
Ikaw, kahit ano.
Or me?
Kahit ano. Ba't maputi ka kasi?
No, I have your shade.
Oh, wow.
No, kasi I'm a makeup artist.
Sige, game, push.
Trust me.
Sige, I trust you.
me.
I trust you. So, okay. Ang nangyayari pala ngayon is may makeupan pala niya ako. Medyo na siya kakuran.
Well, hindi kasi sanay na po sila sa face ko.
Okay, so it's a
So
different
sa ibang
naman.
face naman, di ba? Okay, so first, pinapowder ko muna yung mukha ko bago ako mag-contour. So just for tutorial sake, I'm gonna do it on her.
Konti.
Okay,
Go.
konti lang.
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Pero wait, di ba Tina nag-ano ka? Sumali ka sa Eat Bulaga before?
Yes. Parang I joined kasi at first, marami lang nagtatag sa akin na, uy, sali ka, ganyan. Parang sabi nung parents ko, wag na kasi pagtatawanan ka lang, gano'n. Pinanood ko siya para malaman ko ano ba itong tinatag nila sa akin. Tapos, nung narinig ko yung ibang sagot ng mga contestant, parang yung mga sagot nila, maganda ako kasi extra rice, extra beauty, mga gano'n na walang sense.
Okay.
So sabi ko, kailangan ko sumali, kailangan kong ilabas yung nararamdaman ko sa mundo. Yung talagang pinaniniwalaan ko kasi I'm sure hindi lang ako yung nag-iisa. So, sumali ako talaga kahit hindi ako marunong kumanta. Okay. Kumanta ako doon. As in, nakakatawa actually. Huwag niyo nang hanapin yung video. Pero talagang sabi ko okay lang kasi sa question and answer bawi ako. So, true enough, nanalo ako. Sa final round, top 8. Pero naging regular kami for a while. Pero marami din ako natutunan doon kasi first time ata sa Filipino like TV history na hindi sila gumamit ng matataba para maging comedic.
Para maging katatawanan.
Oo. So parang ginawa nila kaming proper na talagang, alam, nagigits mo ba?
Respect.
Yes,
and with
respect.
dignity.
Hindi kami ginawang yung mga nakabonjing yung mga tiyan, yung mga nakakatawa-katawa. Talagang pinaganda kami. Yung mga costume namin magaganda, cute, gano'n.
So, kumbaga, it was more of saying na pinapakita kung how to respect others.
Yes. And also na hindi porket mataba ka, pangit ka na. So parang sinabi nila, o tinan mo to, mga matataba,
Ba't magaganda?
pero magaganda. Diba? I'm not saying...
Maganda, period.
Correct! Yan. Wala pang advocacy noon, pero yun na talaga yung sabi ko. So, tapos na kami, guys. Nag-quick video lang kami. Siguro fast forward ko, I'm not sure. So, ayun. So, kamusta naman ang interview ko? Did I do well?
Yes, you did well. This is the first time na mag-vlog.
Hello, follow.
Dream ko
Do you
to.
have po Instagram ba? Wala rin.
Meron.
Meron naman.
Sa Lima_Refran. But I don't post that much. I'm sorry. I'll try.
Private,
for 2019.
private person.
Yeah, I'll try 2019.
Yes, please. So we have more beautiful plus-size women to follow for 2019. Let's support empowering women. So guys, thank you for watching. That's the end of this vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please follow Miss Sam po. And please, hindi ko to ma-upload when they watch it. May record ba dito? Wala, no? Nilalabas niyo po ba yun online?
Yes, it's part of
Nilalabas
it.
rin po? Like sa YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Sige. Ililink ko na lang sila down sa description box para mapanood nyo in case hindi nyo siya maabuti sa TV. So that's it. Bye. Meron akong saying when I end my videos.
What does you say? Nakalimutan mo.
Okay, pressure ako. I'm sorry. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Oh my God, I forgot.
Kaya mo yan.
That is it. With all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye! God bless! Mwah! Team Pew Pew. Meron akong hashtag Team Pew Pew.
Ano naman
Pew Pew
yun?
is barrel. Pew Pew. Parang I'm shooting good vibes.
Okay. Good.
So, Team Pew Pew.
Okay.
Kapag bad trip ka po, parinan mo lang.